Now let's see if she goes. Hey everyone. In our pursuit of minimalism, we got to get rid of pretty much everything that we have. And one of the big things that we have to get rid of is, you probably saw it in some of the bus conversions, we have an old car that sits behind. And it was my old daily driver. And I wanted to actually turn it into a track car, do something cool with it. But you know how life is. Time gets you by, and I never got anything to do with it. So I got a friend that's interested, so we're getting it out of here. So we're going to find out if it starts, we can get in it, and we can get it rolling. And we also have to move the bus, which hasn't been started since August. And the battery might be dead. And we've got the hose, the heater hoses unattached. So we're going to have to kind of clamp them off and hope we don't have any coolant spilling out. So let's see how it works. Yeah, she's turning, but she's just not got enough. Oh yeah. That car that hasn't been started in like over a year fired right out. I don't think we're gonna have
a problem with the diesel starting.
I don't think we're gonna have a problem with this. No. These are the hoses here. So you got those clamps? Yeah. Like I bought that valve shut off. This one's not, but it's the return line, so this one should be the only one that's pressurized. Let's do it. Oh, the clutch is I gotta hang on or else the clutch pushes me back. Battery's dead. Here, click. Nope.
Okay, go start it.
We'll start it? Alright.
Starter.
Nothing's getting to the starter.
Did we screw with any wires up here?
Oh, hang on a sec. The back door, we gotta close those switches. It's got the interlock.
Come on, Mr. Bus Driver. You should know this stuff.
Okay, so this would be the door closed. This would be the lock closed.
Do you need tape or?
Yeah, so I get some like electrical tape. I can't believe I forgot about that. I've been thinking about starting this bus and I'm like, oh, I can't forget to remember that. Okay, I don't see any tape here, so I'm gonna go find some.
Watch my back.
Yeah.
Don't wait for him.
Okay.
You're gonna have to get rid of that.
Get rid of what?
Those safety things.
Which things?
The safety things.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna pull them all the way to the front and rewire it without the stupid.
What the hell was that?
That was just the bucket.
Oh Jesus.
All right. Now let's see if she goes. Seriously now? I'm pretty sure when the lock is unlocked, it pushes the thing in. Check those. One of them actually, oh, there it is, right there, and right there. These have to be grounded. They have to touch metal, because they're grounded to the box. So I bet you any money it's a grounded switch. So these actually have to make contact with the metal. So they have to be like screwed in.
Oh, good. Oh, it stinks.
Wow. It's been a pretty successful day. We got the car running. Took a little bit to get it going, but we got it running. We got the bus running too. We moved that. So now just last little step here. I got to close up the window. We'd opened it, but the handle's removed because the interior's ripped out. So I got to get a pair of pliers and roll up the window. We had to roll it down because the latch isn't attached, so it's not really easy to open it from the inside. You kind of have to roll down the window and pop the handle from the outside. So let's go do that. Our locks actually work on this now. Now that the battery isn't dead. Can you believe that somebody stole the mirrors? Yeah, the side mirrors right here. Stole them right off that side. And right off that side. Just tore them clean right off. I don't know. Out of anything you could steal, I didn't think a mirror from a Honda Civic would be in your top priority, but to each his own, I guess. Hope they enjoy them.